What exactly is SiteMap? Hi, I'm Chris Moore, Chief Operating Officer at GPRS, and I'm here to answer that question. In this quick video, we'll give you a look inside the SiteMap platform and how it works. SiteMap launched in 2023, and it has taken the accurate, field-verified data that our SIM-certified project managers collect on your job site and put it in one secure, yet easily accessible platform, allowing you and your team to plan, design, manage, dig, and ultimately, build better. Today, the platform has more than 10,000 active users and houses data from over 200,000 sites across the country. SiteMap continues to evolve to meet your needs, while remaining the only place where you can accurately visualize, securely store, and easily share and geolocate site data for any job site anywhere in the US. It can help you eliminate the frustrations of inaccurate as-builts, poor communication, cost overruns, project delays, and even serious injuries and damage. But you don't have to take my word for it. Let me show you how it can redefine collaboration for you and your teams to eliminate those problems. When you open SiteMap, your project data is front and center, allowing you to immediately access the information you need. The map viewer contains geospatially tagged and layered maps and descriptions of all your uploaded data, including images and other links. To access one of your jobs, simply zoom in on the region in which your job is located, then click on the map pin representing your project to populate the job data. You can view all your jobs at once in the activity dashboard on the left-hand side of the screen, allowing you to jump between projects with the click of a button. The global search option allows you to find your project by whatever attribute you choose. Simply start typing an address, name, or keyword, and the system will take care of the rest. SiteMap allows you to export geolocated and cross-reference data on demand in the file format of your choice, depending on your subscription level. It also allows you to virtually measure site areas, basic dimensions, and distances within the map itself. And you can securely share any job with a designated contractor or team member by clicking the share button, adding their email address, and hitting send. It's simple, and it lets you send vital information instantly to provide accurate and complete communication among teams. No missing or out-of-date plans, no second guessing, and far fewer mistakes. Every GPRS customer receives a complimentary SiteMap personal subscription, so we can quickly and securely deliver your data in a format you can use and share to help you plan, design, manage, dig, and ultimately build better. Scan the QR code on the screen now or click the link in the video description to schedule your free personal SiteMap demo today. We're glad you're here, and we can't wait to help you intelligently visualize your built world.